Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to do invasive BP monitoring in the neonates. So we have this baby which is very sick, so we are doing the invasive BP monitoring in this baby. So we can see this is the pressure bag. So first we need this pressure bag for invasive BP monitoring. So we have put 500 ml NS bottle in this, and we have to add the Haplock so that the arterial line which we have put should not get blocked. So we have added half cc of Haplock, that means 5 unit of Haplock in 500 ml of NS, and then we have inflated this manometer. The pressure which we need to keep is 250 to 300 manometer. So once we have inflated this pressure bag, then we have connected this line. You can see this is the line which we have connected to this device. So this will have 3 openings. Here we have connected the NS line which is connected to the NS bottle, and second one, this line goes to the arterial line. So you can see this is the arterial line for the baby, and we have connected this arterial line to this manometer, and this end is attached to the syringe. Okay, so this is the baby. So this is the monitor. So you can see we are getting the BP reading here, and this is the monitor. This is the transducer which is required to connect. Okay, so you have to choose a monitor, multipara monitor, which have this connection. Okay, so we have attached this transducer here, and then this transducer is attached to this invasive BP monitoring device. So you have to see, first is the pressure bag, then we have to inflate the pressure till 250 to 300 mmHg. Then we have connected this one end to this device, second goes to the arterial line, and third is to the syringe. And we have connected this to transducer. Okay, and this transducer goes to this multipara monitor. Now one technique is very important here. Every 2 hourly we need to flush. So I will show you the technique how to flush this line. So first we have to close the arterial line. So see, we have closed it now. The arrow mark shows the closure. Then we have to pull this small thread. So the water from that will come in the syringe. The water from the NS bottle is coming with the pressure. So release this valve, and then we have to close the saline end. See, we have closed, and just slowly flush. So we are flushing it. Okay. So once we have flushed, keep it closed, and then we have to close this end. Okay, the one which goes to the arterial end, and now we have to make this 0. Okay, bring this to NIBP and press this ABP 0. Then you can see ABP 0 in progress. Unable to 0, so we have to go again one more time. One more time. Yeah, so you can see ABP 0 is complete. Now you on the arterial end towards the syringe. So the syringe is blocked, arterial end is open now. So you can see the waveform will come, and the arterial BP monitoring is going on. So this is one very important, and we always get confused in this method. So first is this pressure bag, put 500 ml saline, then increase the pressure manometer 250 to 300, add Haplock. Okay, half a unit, that is half a ml, that is 5 unit in 500 ml. Then this end, saline end, goes to this side. This side goes to arterial line, and this is the syringe, and this is the transducer which we have connected to this apparatus. And here we are getting the continuous arterial BP monitoring. It is an invasive BP monitoring in the newborns. Okay, and do not forget to flush, and the flush technique I have already shown you. So keep doing this in the babies who are very sick and critical and who require continuous BP monitoring.